Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about why cats are my favorite animals. I don't want to be mean to all those dog lovers out there, so I'm just going to say that I do love dogs, but I love cats more. As you can see, there's 4 cute kittens on this picture. There's some flowers, a light blue one, a pink one, a purple one, and a dark blue one. If you're considering to adopt a kitten or maybe a cat, you should go to Petco for some helpful items that you might need. Here's a fun fact. The first cat in space was a French cat named Felicity, aka the Astro Cat, who blasted into outer space in 1963. She actually survived the trip. Some other fun facts are that when a cat scrunches up, they be fierce, right? No, actually, they're scared. Also, a group of cats is called a clowder. If you are considering to adopt a cat, I would say to go to Petco for all the good resources there and all the things that you can use. They have nice cat beds and other things that you can use. Just like human fingerprints, cats have their own nose prints. I bet that you didn't know that a cat's heartbeat is about 2 times faster than a human's is. Oh, and also, cats are America's most popular pet. The smallest feline is a masterpiece, Leonardo da Vinci. But you have to remember, you have responsibility too, not only fun. But at the end of the day, it's all worth it. The responsibility of a cat is that you have to clean up its litter, clean up its bed, take care of all of its clothes, all of its washing materials. But at the end of the day, it's all worth it.